Hey everyone, today we're going to draw a flower.
Yeah, we're going to be drawing what kind of flower?
A sunflower.
Big sunflower, because it's finally summertime where we are. And now we can draw some pretty flowers. You got your pen?
Yeah.
You ready to go?
This was so tight, I couldn't open
Too tight? He's so strong, look at those arms.
it.
Okay, you ready to draw a sunflower? Be careful not to draw on your face. Okay, we're going to start with a nice big circle. Okay.
Ginormous like, oh.
Quite ginormous, because sunflowers have a really big circle in the middle, don't they? Big flowers.
They're kind of small when we see it.
Yeah.
They're real.
Okay. Okay, so here we go. We're going to draw a sunflower. We're going to start with the middle part of the sunflower, and then on the ends we're going to do the petals. So this is where we start, here in the middle, near the top. We're just going to go around, and we try and draw as perfect circle as we can. It's a bit tricky though.
Diddy, can we draw little like dots because they have dots?
Well, first we'll color it in, and then we'll see if we add some dots on it. Yeah?
Yellow dots.
Okay, here we go. You ready? What should I do here?
Here.
We go around.
Let's go from here.
Yep. Great circle. Good job.
A bit wiggly.
It's all right. That's perfect. That's a good circle. Doesn't matter that they're not exactly the same. I really like your ones. So we're going to start with our petals now. Okay.
I don't know how to draw petals.
You don't know how to draw petals? I'm going to show you how to draw petals. Really easy.
God.
But
Another
there's a
trickery.
trick. There's a trick to the petals.
my
Okay.
God.
I'll show you. This is how we draw petals. Okay. We start at the top, all right, and we draw a wavy line that does that. So try to draw one of those. Yep, you start there. Perfect. And then from the top of that one, we go back down to the bottom. Great. Now what we're going to do, that's okay, that's all right. When you go around the petals, you might practice and it might get better. And now what we're going to do to make sure our petals are all evenly spaced, we're going to go to the bottom. And now we're going to do the one at the bottom. You ready? So it goes like this. Goes same as the top. Yeah. Doesn't matter that they're not perfectly the same. Not all the petals are the same. And then we do on the side, in the middle on the side. Middle on the side, over here, that's where you're going to draw another one. So what should I do? Same type of petal. In like that.
That looks like a king.
A king, a crown.
No.
And
It
then
looks like the rainbow king.
the rainbow king. I don't know the rainbow king.
With the 3 dots. No.
Oh, okay. Now we're going to do the same one on this side. Okay? Watch here.
Damn.
Same one on the inside. Yep. Now we're going to go to the middle of these 2 petals in between. We're going to draw another one same size. So over here, that's it. Good job. That one's getting even better. Look at that. And then
It's
again.
just growing.
It's growing. And then that's going to be start over here in the middle of that section.
Right.
Awesome job. And another one in the middle of this section. Same size petals.
Did you know we're
over
going
there.
to do the bowl?
I'll show you. We're going to finish all the petals.
I'm lean.
And then on that section, we're going to draw another one.
Yours looks like a sun.
Kind of looks like a sun, and that's why they call it a sunflower. And now in between each one, we're going to draw another petal. So watch mine. It goes behind those 2, and then behind those 2, and behind those 2. You got it.
It's like petals. That's easy. I just need to do. Done.
Hey, look at that beautiful, nice sunflower. You forgot to join those 2 though.
Oh.
Great job. So now what we're going to do, we're going to draw his cute little face. Okay, we're going to give sunflower a nice cute face.
Take the tin out.
We can do that if you want to. what we're going to do is we're going to start with 2 little lines under his eyes. Okay, we're going to start with these 2. Watch. One there, and now it kind of looks like his eyes are closed. So you can start over there, and just a curve over there. Yep. Very good. Good. And then on top, look, wait. There we go. On top, we're going to draw a circle like that.
Can I draw a tear?
And a circle like that.
Down, that's so cute.
No, we're not going to draw a tear because that makes our sunflower so sad.
No, it's so cute. That's
oh, do you mean this one? You're going to draw a little circle in there. You can do if you want to.
Let's do that.
Awesome.
Are you going to add some tears?
No, I'm going to keep mine a super happy smiley one.
But mine is being cute.
I love summertime.
Mine is cute, so it can have tears.
Yeah, you can add whatever you want to add to your sunflower. I like your eyes, perfect. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a little slightly curve across under the 2 eyes.
And then we're going to put the tongue.
You can draw a tongue out, you can leave it like that, or I'm going to do a big, nice smile like that. Oh, I like yours. Ours is very similar. Maybe I'll add a little tongue there. And that's our sunflower face done. Now what are we missing? What do we need to draw on our sunflower?
We're missing the long neck.
Yeah, it's the stem. It's the stem of the sunflower. So the stem looks like this. We're just going to draw a line from the middle of that petal, maybe from here. Maybe you can draw from there. And it's going to curve. It's going to curve a little bit. And then another one next to that. Great job. Then what we're going to do is add a couple of leaves, because sunflowers also have really big leaves.
Yeah. Mine is going to be on the petal.
So we're going to start on the side. Yeah, it can be on the petal, or you can go under the petal, or maybe you can just add one. You can do one on this side. So we're going to draw 2 lines that come out of the stem. 2 like that, kind of like a little arm. And
I'm waiting.
Okay, then we're going to draw. It kind of looks like another petal, but it's just a big leaf. Perfect. And then I'm going to do one more on this side. Under the petal. Over there. And then the leaf has got veins on it, so they kind of look like this. You can split your leaf in half with the line that joins. That's it, perfect. And then we can add a few little details, that's right. We like details.
Spiders.
Perfect, I like your leaves. Lots of detail on your leaves. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a little flower pot.
Yours has 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Yours has 4.
Okay, now we're going to draw the pot, and it's the top of the pot looks like an oval. It's kind of like a squished circle. So we're going to start on this side. It's quite tricky to draw it, so watch what I do. It goes round, underneath, back in.
Here.
Yep, and it actually starts from here. You can start from your stem, start from there, and draw a circle. Oops, sorry, paper. There we go. That can be the top of your flower pot. And then I'm just going to add a little line behind the back.
Is that how your sunflower looks?
Yeah, and then you can start one here, and it follows the... Yeah, that's perfect. Good job. Yeah, I like it. Now we can see into our flower pot.
Like I'm putting the pot in my flower.
Yeah. And then we're going to draw 2 little lines that come down from the pot on each side. That's perfect. And then draw 1 more circle. And that's the rim of the flower pot. And then I'm just going to draw the bottom of the flower pot. Like that. And then another semicircle underneath.
Semicircle.
Yeah. Awesome job, Summer. I love your sunflower.
Mine
It looks
is
so
like
good.
a cake.
It's like a cake. I think it looks like a really good sunflower. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a few more little details on my petals. So little lines like this.
I know.
You don't have to. I'm just going to add some quick ones. This is just another way you can add some more details.
I'm just gonna add one here.
Yeah, you can add a few.
I'm just gonna add one.
Great job. I like them. Do you like your sunflower? Awesome job. Now we've got to color them. You ready to color?
Which
It's the
one
best part.
What are you going to do first?
Well, we can decide. But we're going to fast forward through our coloring. So if anyone wants to, they can pause the video, can't they?
Yeah. Which one?
Well, some of your sunflower looks amazing. It's so cute. I really love your little face. Awesome. You're going to say bye to everyone.
Bye everyone. Thanks for drawing with us.
Yeah, thanks for drawing with us. See you next time. High five. Yeah.